We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names as well from French history and from French. Mirabeau is how it's said in French. Mirabeau. Mirabeau. In English you could say it as Mirabeau. We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names as well from French history and from French. Mirabeau is how it's said in French. Mirabeau. Mirabeau. In English you could say it as Mirabeau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.